Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you the profits again today. A lot of people ask about the other people in the group, and they all do very well. This is passing my Apex. I'm done now, so come Friday, I'll have my live 20 accounts on there, so that's great. And this is my profits today. I didn't even really trade much. I just traded my one live account. This person looking roughly $250 on each of her 20 accounts. Did a great job. And this person, this is actually his first day trading this, so he averaged about $200 an account. So, that's roughly $4,000. And this one here, he did sim up here and then did his live down here, so that's great. And then we got this guy here. He just keeps on saying last one. Roughly 550 each, so that's roughly probably $12,000 on his Apex accounts, 20 of them. Jerry kicked out today. He averaged about $300. I think he's got around 10 accounts, about 3 grand. And let's see here. This is the same guy, but he posted this one, then he ended up making another trade. This one right here, he did, looks like he averaged about a little over $1,000 a piece, so that's 20 accounts, that's $20,000 right there. Here's the biggie. This is the big winner today. He averaged around $2,100, $2,000 or so. Call it 2,000. That's $40,000 in one day. It's his 20 Apex accounts. He did really, really well. And so then we had some SpyBot profits. See what we had in here. The scalper today around this one finished up. This actually closed green. It was over $1,100 in profit. Run it all day. Just let one contract run all day to see what it would do. And then we have this guy. He has an old U-Profit account. Did 450. Did 600. This is the same one. So $600 and done for the day. This one 245. This one right here, he traded all of these. He had one red one down there. I don't know what happened there. So he had a loser in there, but he made really good money on the rest of them. And Lauren, she's only been at this for a week, and she's got 10 accounts, averaged over $400 an account. So she's, roughly $4,000. And this guy, he ended up making what, 315 or so. So call it 300. That's about $3,000. And this one, he ended up doing about 250 on, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So roughly, what is that? 13, 250, be 25, about $3,000 right there. And then he did a scalp right here, just $156. Did 615. I guess what he did was did that, and then he came back in and did another one. Um, so this is the profits today that have been posted. There's more profits. A lot of people don't post them in here, but they do pretty good. If there's any negative or anything, I don't delete anything. This is just what it is. Whatever they post is what it is. We like to show screenshots of an actual trade, and that keeps everybody accountable so they're not just punching in a number and saying they made this. We like to see screenshots. That way we can know that everybody's doing fine and if you're needing help or anything like that. So that's our trades for today as far as what people have posted. If you want to know how to get involved with this, you can by going to spymoneyllc.com, going to the Ninja Suite. When you go to the Ninja Suite, it'll go in through here, tell you a lot of stuff about it. Here's the products that come with it. A lot of frequently asked questions right here. You can go through those. And if you want to lease it, you just click here and it will open up to the lease. And then it will give you the information about that. We also have funded accounts. Most of us use Apex accounts. I personally think Apex is the #1 funded account. They pay out good now. You're getting paid twice a month instead of once a month. You don't have to wait 25 days. So this is all the details in it. You can pass your account in 7 days as well. So instead of 10. Our second best one is U-Profit. Apex is definitely by far the better one. And that's why we all trade it. Most everybody in there has 10 plus accounts. The majority have 20, and we all trade those. And all thing you have to do is if you make $300 or $400 an account, if you make 300, that's $6,000 a day. So it's a lot of money. It's really a good idea to do it. We do have 50% off if you use this coupon code right here. If you click on this, this will open up, and when you scroll down, it will put your coupon code right here, so you can find it. So instead of 167, it's going to be roughly 83.50 that it would cost you. And it's a really good program. It's good for everybody. I think everybody does well with it. And I teach how to use it, how, what bot or what manual trade to use. Most of us use the manual trading, the Brad strategy. I teach how to use it, and people do a very good job with it, and they're posting their profits. If you have any questions, you come over here to the contact us and fill this out. If you need to talk to me, you're more welcome to put your phone number in there. Put down when a good time to call you, Eastern time. That's what I'm on. And that way I can not get confused on the times. But just put the Eastern time if you need to talk to me. If you just have some questions, just post in some information here, and I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. Again, to end this up, the Ninja Suite, this is where it's all at. It works really well. Here's all the information about it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, and let's go show those profits again. We like to see these profits. This is our Discord room, and it's we got like 5 roles. I'm not going to click on that, but we got 5 roles. We got some call outs, chat rooms, and Discord roles. We don't put up with any drama or anything. If people are in there causing trouble, you're gone. We don't allow it. And then we got some things about the Apex rules. Just to give you an idea, this is just talking about how Apex runs and what the rules and everything are. So it's actually working out pretty good. It helps people know what to do. So we try to put as much information in here that we can, just like making a screenshot. Just so simple, how to make a screenshot on your PC. Try my best to answer everything that I can for you. We have our live streams, the main profits and so forth, Apex rules, prop firms. When you pass, you can post your certificate and just so forth. I'd love to have you all in. Let us know if we can help you out in any way. And hopefully we'll see you in here and get you to pass your Apex evaluations and get onto a live account and start making money with us. You all have a great night.